Hello, my name is Timothy Cheek, and today I will be discussing the update to my capstone project, Terra. This week I worked on the enemy behavior for attacking and using special attacks. So, for finding, for the attacking, I made some new functions. One's find enemy attack, and in this function we do the same thing we did for the getting the players. How we did getting the players grid squares so that the player would know which grids are available. We did that to get all the grid squares for the enemy's attack based on its attack range, min and max. And then we loop through the players to see if any of them are on one of these squares. And if so, that's the unit we're going to attack. And then we also did for special attack the same thing, but we used the special attack max range and min range for that function. And if we go over to the enemy's class, so in here we added some new variables for their max special attack range. And if I go down to the update function, when it's the enemy's turn, we are going to see if we have enough energy points to use a special attack. If we do, we want to see if a target's in range. If that target is in range, we'll take away the special points, and then we will mark a bull so that we know to attack. And if we don't have enough energy points, we'll try to see if a player unit is in range of the enemy to do a normal attack. And then if there's no player units in range, we'll move down and we'll do the move like before. And then we'll check again using the special find enemy special attack or find enemy attack. And if it does find a target, we will attack that target. And if it's a special move, a special attack, we will find out if there's any more units in that. With find enemy special will tell us if there is any more units that are within the special attack range. And if not, we'll defend. In the special attack, we just do pretty much the same thing for the player. So that we did for the player special attacks, but modified it a little bit. So if we have a normal enemy, if we have a ranged enemy, we'll check to see if any of the units are within these other two locations, because the ranged enemy has like a penetration shot that goes through multiple units in a row. So it can hit up to 3 targets. And if it's not a ranged enemy and it's a normal enemy, it can do 2 units. So the first unit and the second unit if there's a unit behind him. And now I'll show a video of this. Alright, we're going to go in, we're going to move our player units. I also tried to fix a bug where the enemy would go in the opposite direction. As you see, the enemy will move towards them and attack. The ranged unit right here is within the range to attack the ranged unit. So there we go. For next week, I plan on doing the creature hazard, which will be the environmental hazard. And I want to get it moving, attacking, get its animations for it, and then I want to make sure it works the proper way. Everything works with it, and there's no new bugs found when I implement this. And that is all.